All right, so similar to what we had previously, we are going to be this time evaluating the value of an exponent. And so we are given 12 to the power of 2. That does not mean 12 times 2. That means 12 times itself twice. So we would have 12 times 12, which is going to be 144. Now, you should have been issued a calculator at Perry Tech or have a calculator available to you. I don't expect you to do this by long multiplication or anything like that, so please do take advantage of technology in that case. But pay attention to your answer and make sure that your answer actually makes sense. So, moving on, we're going to try another. We have 2 to the power of 5. So, we got 2 to the power of 5, which is not 2 times 5. Not even close. That would be 10. And what we're going to get as a correct answer is actually very different than that. So we're going to have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now there are a few ways to do this. If you're trying to do this mentally, what I would do is do 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, and just bring down the rest. That makes 8. Bring down the rest. That makes 16. Bring down the rest. And we end at 32. That's an efficient way to do that if you want to do it mentally. Alternatively, you can use the calculator that you were given and put in 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Or there is an online calculator that I like to use called Wolfram. And that will, oops, that was way too many. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I only need 5. And so that will also tell me 32. And so this is the first introduction you will have with me to this online calculator called Wolfram Alpha. It is extremely useful and helpful. I'll use it extensively as we work together, but feel free to use whatever calculator is most comfortable to you. And also, again, bearing in mind that as we use a calculator, it's important for us to remember that we should have some idea of what the calculator should give us and not just have blind faith, because sometimes we make mistakes putting something in, and that's something we want to be able to identify if that was to happen. Okay, we've got 4 to the power of 2 as our next one. This does not say 4 times 2. No, that would be 8. This says 4 times itself twice. And 4 times 4 is 16. All right, and then lastly, well, we had 2 to the 5th already, so let's try another. And it's coming back again. 3 to the power of 3, that's an interesting looking one. We have 3 to the power of 3. This is not 3 times 3. 3 times 3 would be 9. This is 3 times itself 3 times. 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Keep the rest. 9 times 3 is 27. And again, I could use Wolfram to figure this out, or the calculator that you have. 3 times 3 times 3. And you can see here I get 27 as well. So either of those methods will work well. That's going to be a 27. All right, that's it for this video. I hope this is helpful.